have to say this. So I loved engineering, loved it, but what I didn't enjoy, and every work environment is very different. Of course, I'm, I'm like much older now and have a little bit of experience on my side, which is why I share this with you. But I did not know about researching work environment. And I did not know that there were different work environments depending upon the job. And the work environment I was in wasn't a good fit for my personality, just totally wasn't a good fit. So I was a systems engineer. I wore a hard hat and steel toe work boots. And I worked at a nuclear power plant. And I had this little radiation monitor that I had to wear because it measured exposure every day going in the plant and all this. And I worked on equipment. I had blueprints. I had tech specs, they call them. And I worked on a system and I either designed it or repaired it. And it was not a good fit for me because I love people. I love people. And imagine a person who loves people and you're just working on equipment all day. Not fun. And not to say that I should not have been an engineer, but I never considered work environment. What's the ideal environment based on who I am? How am I uniquely made? What excites me and what gets me wanting to jump out of bed in the morning? And so it's really important, again, to think about the type of work environment as you're pursuing your field. I gave a really good example last week when I said, and I use the STEM, I'll use a lot of STEM examples, but I said you may have an interest in science and math, so you may be a STEM person, but depending on your personality type, if you're more introverted, so I just took the first, either introverted or extroverted, how do you gain energy and recharge your batteries? Do you need to kind of pull back and just relax and, and kind of pull in some, or are you more charged working with people? So if you want to work in the medical field, you may, really want to, work as a clinician, as an extrovert, if you're an E type, but if you're more of an I type, you may enjoy research. So you're still working in that particular field, but based on your personality will determine the work environment. Very important. So as you're thinking through your careers, don't neglect the work environment, because again, that will determine a lot of what you do. And as you get in school, some of the internship opportunities and, maybe research or, all the extra stuff that you'll do with it. So